Today I'm coming to you from our warehouse here at DreamMaker Bath and Kitchen of Springfield. And you can see on the shelves we have a number of different projects that are all staged, ready to go for production. And that's one of the critical pieces in our process, is that we really work with our clients during the design process to make all of the decisions that they need to make, all the way down to the sheen of the paint. And we believe in that so that we can get and provide our clients a fixed price contract. We've all heard about inflation and the building material prices going up and delays with products. So one of the things we do is once that contract is signed, we almost immediately start purchasing materials for that project. That protects you because you have that fixed price contract. And it also ensures that we are receiving the correct materials, nothing's been damaged, it's the right color, the right make, and that ensures that we're able to hit our start date and, more importantly, hit our completion date. Bottom line, our goal here at DreamMaker is to make your bathroom and kitchen remodeling project as stress-free as possible. And if we can do that, as far as get you ready during that design process, and then get you prepared to get through the inconvenience in your home while we're working, that's what we're all about.